In recent years, something truly unexpected has been happening. Thousands of Americans are packing their bags, selling their homes, and flying across the Pacific to settle in a country they once knew little about, Malaysia. It's not a vacation or a business trip, it's a full-blown migration. But why? America has long been seen as the land of opportunity. So why would so many citizens abandon it in favor of a Southeast Asian nation with a vastly different culture, lifestyle, and economy? The answer lies in a surprising mix of rising costs in the U.S., political fatigue, healthcare nightmares, and the irresistible charm of Malaysia's affordable, relaxed, and welcoming lifestyle. From retirees to remote workers to entrepreneurs, Americans are discovering a new life in this tropical paradise, and the numbers are growing faster than ever. Let's uncover the surprising truth behind this phenomenon, and why Malaysia may just be the secret escape Americans never knew they needed. Is the American dream fading? For many Americans, the cost of living has become unbearable. Skyrocketing rent, healthcare premiums, student loans, and the price of groceries have pushed countless individuals into financial distress, even those with decent incomes. In contrast, Malaysia offers a lifestyle that's not only more affordable but also more fulfilling. Whether it's the cost of food, housing, or transport, Malaysia delivers what America once promised, a chance to live comfortably without breaking the bank. In Kuala Lumpur or Penang, you can enjoy a luxury apartment, eat out daily, and still save money, something that feels impossible in places like New York, Los Angeles, or San Francisco. How cheap is life in Malaysia? The numbers say it all. Let's break down the figures to understand the appeal. Rent in Kuala Lumpur for a furnished one-bedroom apartment in the city center, around $500 to $700 per month. In New York, the same would cost over $3,000. Dining out at a local restaurant, $2 to $5 per meal. Public transport, monthly pass is less than $25. Medical consultation at a private clinic, often below $20. Monthly utilities including electricity, water, and internet, around $70 to $100. In short, Americans are discovering that their dollar stretches 3 to 5 times farther in Malaysia, without sacrificing quality of life. Healthcare system, a dream compared to the U.S. nightmare. One of the most compelling reasons Americans are fleeing to Malaysia is healthcare. In the U.S., even a simple emergency room visit can result in a bill of thousands of dollars, even for those with insurance. Malaysia, on the other hand, offers world-class healthcare at a fraction of the cost. Private hospitals are clean, modern, and efficient. A specialist visit may cost only $30 to $50, and many doctors were trained in the UK or Australia. And for Americans over 50, Malaysia My Second Home, MM2H, visa offers not only long-term residency but access to excellent medical care without financial devastation. The remote work boom, a new type of migrant. With remote work becoming more accepted globally, many digital nomads and freelancers from the US have chosen Malaysia as their base. Why? Reasons are: number 1, excellent internet infrastructure. Number 2, low cost of living. Number 3, modern co-working spaces. And number 4, vibrant expat communities. And number 5, close proximity to other Southeast Asian countries. From YouTubers and bloggers to software developers and consultants, Malaysia is now a digital nomad hub. Cities like Kuala Lumpur, Georgetown, and Johor Bahru are attracting a young, mobile American crowd who crave adventure, without the high expenses. Cultural curiosity and open-minded living. Many Americans find Malaysia refreshingly different. It's a multicultural society, where Malay, Chinese, Indian, and Western influences blend in everyday life, from street food to religious festivals to language. Unlike the growing tension and political polarization in the US, Malaysia offers peace, respect for diversity, and a slower, more harmonious pace of life. People are friendly, crime rates are lower, and there's a sense of safety in walking alone at night or using public transport, something that can't be said for all U.S. cities today. Nature, beaches, and travel at your fingertips. Malaysia is also a nature lover's dream. From the pristine beaches of Langkawi, to the lush rainforests of Borneo, to the cool highlands of Cameron, Malaysia offers breathtaking destinations without long flights or expensive trips. Plus, with budget airlines like AirAsia, Americans can easily travel to Thailand, Singapore, Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines, all within hours and under $100. For those bitten by the travel bug, Malaysia is a perfect home base. Warm weather all year round. Let's face it, many Americans are tired of harsh winters and unpredictable weather. Malaysia's tropical climate means sunshine, warmth, and greenery year-round. For those suffering from seasonal depression or just sick of shoveling snow, the warm, stable climate is a massive attraction. Visa flexibility and expat incentives. While some countries make it difficult to settle, Malaysia has long welcomed foreign residents. Though visa policies have changed over time, the Malaysia My Second Home (MM2H) program still remains a pathway for retirees and financially secure foreigners to live long-term. There are also special digital nomad passes, talent visas, and investor incentives that attract entrepreneurs and online workers from the U.S. Unlike immigration headaches in Europe or strict social systems in Japan, Malaysia provides more flexibility and ease for Americans wanting to start fresh. Is it safe? The surprising reality. Many Americans assume Malaysia might be risky, but statistics tell a different story. Malaysia has significantly lower violent crime rates than many major U.S. cities. Police presence is visible, and petty crimes are far less threatening than in places like Los Angeles or Chicago. Many American expats report feeling safer walking alone at night in Penang or KL than they did in their own U.S. neighborhoods. What about the language barrier? Surprisingly, English is widely spoken in Malaysia, especially in urban areas, businesses, hospitals, and government services. Road signs, menus, and public announcements often appear in English. This makes it incredibly easy for Americans to adapt, without the need to learn a new language overnight. Spiritual peace and simpler living. Beyond the material aspects, many Americans say Malaysia offers something deeper, a sense of inner peace and freedom. With fewer distractions, less pressure, and more connection to nature and people, life feels more balanced. Some have even embraced the local spiritual diversity, visiting temples, attending yoga retreats, or just enjoying life's slower rhythm. Is Malaysia the new American dream? So, why are Americans fleeing to Malaysia? Because it gives them what the U.S. increasingly struggles to provide: affordability, safety, healthcare, freedom, and peace of mind. In a time of global change, Malaysia has quietly become a sanctuary for those ready to start over, live simpler, and finally breathe. For many Americans, it's not just an escape, it's a new beginning. Wait. Before you go. If you enjoyed this journey into the surprising truth behind the American migration to Malaysia, don't forget to like the video. Comment your thoughts below. Subscribe to stay updated with more global stories that matter. Malaysia might just be the unexpected answer to problems Americans never thought had a solution.